Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Rashi, and today has been such a rewarding day because I was just experimenting with cut crease today. It's not that I haven't done it before. I do it more on my clients because I just think it's a little tough for me to pull it off on myself. Also, the biggest challenge with cut crease is getting them same on both the eyes. When you're doing it, you need a lot of practice for that, but I think I did a fair job, didn't I? So I'm gonna teach you how to do this look. I hope I have done it in an easy way, which you're gonna find out while I do it, and you will see me praising like crazy about myself in the end, because I was super impressed with myself, guys, when I pulled it off. Kamal kar diya aaj. So seriously, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video if you really think this was worth it, and Instagram Rashi Sopti Makeup. Let's start the video. So these are the eyes that we're going to be doing today, guys. It's a cut crease. Is it easy? No. If you're a beginner, this could be a challenge for you because it requires a lot of control of brush. It requires a lot of blending. More than that, it requires you to be very clear with your cut crease. If you see, there's a very sharp crease drawn here, which you need to maintain. And the biggest challenge is to get the same crease on the other eye as well. The challenge that I'm going to face right now while doing this, while creating this look on the other eye as well. I'm not too sure कि same crease बनेगा कि नहीं, but then we're all here to learn and practice. I've given myself a bold liner with this. I think it really looks nice, and very thick brows. Very dense lashes. मैं इतने dense lashes कभी लगाती नहीं हूँ, but I thought it's going well with this look, तो मैंने आज लगाई ली है. So without wasting any time, let's start on the other eye, and fingers crossed for this one. So to start this look, I'm going to apply concealer on my other eye, which is actually going to be like a base for us to do this look. I'm now going to set this base with a pressed powder or with loose powder, anything that you have. I'm going to start with a green color now, guys. This is the palette that you have been seeing me using all these days, and there are so many colors that I'm going to be using this a lot often now. This is the green that I'm going to start with. I'm going to apply this on my crease, and I'm going to make my crease very dense because मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये green मेरे crease पे दिखे. Even if I apply black to it, the green should not lose its charm there. So we're going to take good amount of this green on our brush, and I'm going to start applying it on my crease line. I'm now going to take a black eyeshadow from any palette that you have. I'm taking it from my Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my lid. Now once I've applied this black, मैंने उसे बहुत roughly अपनी eyes पे लगाया, guys. We need to blend this. For that, I'm just going to use another brush. Black को बहुत अंदर तक नहीं लेके आ रही हूँ. If you see here, I've just got the black almost just till the center. So that is how I'm maintaining it on the other eye as well. Now the tough part, we have to make our crease, because only after making the crease I'll be able to know that even ये जो मैंने बाहर blending की है, is it like equal to what I've done on this eye. So to make a crease, you obviously need a concealer, and you can take any concealer. I would suggest कि आप जितना ज़्यादा light concealer use कर सको better है, because then ये जो अंदर के color है ये और उठ के आएंगे. So I'm just taking a very light concealer. One of the tricks, to do a cut crease is I've done this before also, and it is kind of successful. But I'm gonna take a chance. वही same trick से, you just need to apply it on the lower lid like this, and then look up. If you see, there's a mark here, and that kind of becomes your deadline कि crease कितना ऊपर जाना चाहिए, because यही टेक्निक मैंने यहाँ पे फॉलो की है. So I'm hoping that that will give me the same result on this eye as well. Okay, so if you see, I'm not taking this concealer बिल्कुल end तक. I'm going to stop it here because I want to maintain this dark black green here. And इसी color से यही dark यही dark shades हम merge करेंगे इस concealer के साथ, because you don't want this sharp line here. You want it to look like gradual. So I'm just going to take like the same shades, black and green, and I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to take this green shade that you can see in this palette. ये थोड़ा shimmery है and it's a cream based eyeshadow, so it shows all the more when you apply it. This is what I'm going to fill my inner corner with. Another thing that you need to keep in mind when you do cut crease is that you need to maintain this cut. You cannot blend it. It has to look sharp, otherwise it's not cut crease. I'm going to blend it again, just how I blended it here. It has to look very smooth. Guys, as of now I'm getting a feeling that you're almost same hair, but we're gonna do the liner, we'll do the brows, and probably that's gonna make it look all the more equal. I'm using my liner by K Beauty. This is black canvas and it's an amazing eyeliner, guys. बहुत smooth है, इसका wand बहुत sleek है, so it makes the whole wing application very easy to do. It's time to do my brows, and I am gonna use the Ka Brow again from Benefit India. Again, a great pigment to make your brows like this, because this is reality, guys.
I hate my brows. I hate them. It's like मुझे बालों में डाई लगाना पड़ता है.
So my brows are done, my lashes are on, and literally जब मैं ऊपर देख रही हूँ तो these lashes are like touching my brow bone, but they look nice now for a change. So now we're gonna move on to the face, and we still have to complete the lower eyes, which we're gonna do later once the base is done. I don't want to touch it right now. I'm gonna start with the primer, and you can take any primer that you have, which is your skin type. I'm taking Forever 52. Time for corrector, and I'll just apply this with my fingers. I'm gonna use my caramel concealer. To move on to the foundation, I am taking Maybelline का Fit Me foundation, guys. ये best है, ये affordable है, इसका coverage brilliant है. So by double coverage of foundation, I do not mean that an extra layer is gonna show me more fairer. It's just that I want more coverage in terms, I want my skin to look a little better. Okay, now I'm gonna do some heavy highlighting, under my eyes. So I'm gonna use like a pretty light shade for that. I'm now going to contour with a dark foundation. This is Y505 from Makeup Forever. So guys, I'm going to set my base now, and for that I'm using my LA Girl Pro Face Press Powder. So let's just finish our eyes first before we move on to the contouring, blush and highlight. We'll just keep it for the last so that remains fresh. The black eyeshadow in a brush which is like this. I'll take another brush and dip it in that green which I've used on my crease, and I'm just going to mix it with this black. I'm going to apply a little kajal. It's time to contour, so for that I'll use something different today. This is my bronzer from Stila, and इसको काफ़ी यूज़ किया मैंने, if you can see. The only thing is that it's not matte, it has shimmer in it. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm just going to use the one that I have picked up before. This is MAC Soft and Gentle. Bobbi Brown Coral is going to be my blush. Let's do it. My lips, I am gonna wear Eye Rule 105 by L'Oreal, and it's a beautiful pink, guys. It's amazing for day wear also, but because मैं चाहती हूँ कि सारा focus मेरे eyes पे रहे, so I just want to keep my lips very nude. That's how I like it. Just gonna spray the makeup spray in the end. Guys, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I cannot stop looking at myself. I think I'm so super impressed with myself. I mean, look at my eyes. They are the same. It's not just that how the whole look has come out. I'm just so happy that my crease is almost the same. Wow. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, like it, and come back very soon. Find me on Instagram, yeah, Rashi Sokti Makeup, and I'll see you very soon.